Welcome to a quick demo of iyarn's new survey tool. From the dashboard, click Create, then choose between a wheel or a survey. In this example, we'll create a survey. On the Setup screen, enter your survey name and description. These will be visible to participants. For this demo, we've titled it iyarn Wellbeing Check-in Demonstration Survey. Next, choose whether the survey will be identified or anonymous. Identified lets you see who completed the survey and view their individual results. Anonymous is a quick way to gather information without logins. For this example, we'll go with an identified survey and move to the next step. Now select your survey type, Custom Survey, where you can create your own questions, or Template Survey. Start with ready-made options like the UWA Sleep Journal. We'll choose Custom Survey. On the Question Builder screen, you can add different types of questions. Text input, for example, what is one word to describe your well-being? Single choice, for example, how often do you complete check-ins? Checkboxes, for example, which areas of well-being do you focus on most? Numeric input, for example, how many hours of sleep do you get per night? Time input, for example, what time of day do you prefer check-ins? Matrix, rate areas such as physical, mental, and work-life balance. Rating, an overall satisfaction scale with labelled faces. Once your questions are ready, click. Next step to review your survey, then select Create Survey. Because we chose Identified, you can now invite participants via URL link or QR code. When participants open the survey, they'll complete each question. For this demo, we'll add some example responses to show how each question type works. Free text. For the wellbeing word, we'll enter Great. Single choice. For check-in frequency, we'll select weekly. Multi-choice. For focus areas, we'll tick physical health and mental well-being. Numeric input. For sleep, we'll type in 8 hours. Time input. For preferred check-in time, we'll choose 9 a.m. Matrix. For the well-being ratings, we'll mark each area as good or excellent. Rating scale. For overall satisfaction, we'll select Satisfied. Once submitted, responses are available to view or download as a CSV showing participant details and answers. And that's how you quickly create, share, and review a survey with iyarn's new survey tool.